old design and fresh iron. What is known about the new budget iPhone? Rumors about the second generation of affordable Apple phones have been around for several years, but now their number is off the charts. Obviously, Apple is ready to release a new device. Even the approximate date of the presentation is already known. We'll tell you what the cheapest iPhone of the last few years will be. What will it be called? Initially, insiders assumed that the Cupertinians will release a smartphone called iPhone SE2. However, recently it has more often appeared in the media as iPhone 9. This is more like the truth, because Apple deliberately missed the 9 in 2017. And in appearance, the device is more like old iPhones without a screen in the entire front panel, up to Model X and subsequent. So, what kind of design will it have? If the iPhone SE completely copied the 5, then the iPhone 9 should come out in the 8 form factor. In front of it will be a 4.7-inch LCD display, 1334 by 750 pixels, with large frames at the top and bottom. And on the chin the physical home button will reappear with the built-in Touch Idaho fingerprint scanner. The only noticeable difference from the iPhone 8 will be the glass back cover. If you believe the leaked renderings, it will be matte, as in the latest iPhones with the Pro prefix. And to the standard colors of space gray and black, an option with a bright red color will be added. But for now, do not exclude the possibility that the design of the 9 will be slightly different. The other day, a video surfaced in TikTok, which allegedly shows a new budget device. The author of the video is holding a green smartphone with a flat side frame, like the iPhone 5. It's more like a fake, but there's no way to check. We learn the real details only during the official announcement.